Alrighty, I am trying to synchronize these wireless smoke detectors that are interconnected, and they have a test button, and on the back you see a small button that says program pairing, So I have three that are paired together, and they're getting excited, but the way you know they're paired is you can press the test button, hold the test button, one will start beeping, you keep pressing it, and then they'll all be beeping together. Those are the three that are interconnected, and the fourth one here has not been connected yet. Press the button. He doesn't do anything. So, the way you add them is on one of the connected units, you just tap it quick, and he beeps once, and then the other one, you press and hold, he will beep twice. And now they should be connected. So the one I added, number 4 here, press and hold, beeps a bunch. See, now they're all connected doing their job. All right, a little confusing, but now you know how to test them and add them.